Hello guys, my name is Mehul Kumar. Welcome back to my channel Art and Craft with Mehul. Today I am here for teach you how to make a paper boat. Easy tutorial. So let's get started. For making boat, you need a A4 size paper. Now take this side to this side. Now rotate. Now take this side to this side. Now open. Now you will see a line here. Now take this side to this line. Do the same on other side. Now you can see this. Now take this to here. Do the same on other side. Now fold it to upward. Now move to back side. Now do the same that you have done here. Now fold it to upward. Now you just open it. Now enter here. Now do the same on other side. Now open it. Now fold it half. Take this point to this point. Now move to backward. Now do the same on this side. Now you can see there's a hole. Now open it. Our boat is almost ready. Now there's two sides here, this and this. Now hold it and pull. Now our boat is ready. Ta-da!